The decade-old soundcheck studio in Kisumu is the crown jewel of a man whose life's twists and turns have shaped entertainment in Nyanza. Dishonorably discharged from the military, Charles Ogweno found himself in unfamiliar territory as all his income sources dried up. It is then that he embarked on an unlikely career path that would thrust him into the country's musical psyche.
When I left the Airforce, I had actually nothing to do. I had got a small sound system. So I started entertaining wazes, and I was being paid 20 shillings per day, sleeping on a mat. And then from there, wazes kept on coming, and my pay per day got increased. And I just found myself in business, but my intention was not business and never music.
His trips around the Nyanza region soon became traveling discos that eventually grew into the popular Omega 1 shows.
I started getting calls in colleges like Siriba College, Maseno, and then I kept on increasing, buying more and more equipment. And then I expanded my business to an extent that as now I've attended almost all the ASK shows in the country. And when I say almost all, I mean Nairobi, Mombasa, Malindi, Bungoma, Kisii.
With Kenya's population growing rapidly, bars soon became the social home of music, putting pressure on DJ Ogweno's income. But it is this same pressure that diversified his business into other lucrative avenues.
We've done rallies for Raila in Kisumu, his last ODM rally in Kisumu, COD rally actually. We also did the rally in Homa Bay where there was some commotion. We also did Uhuru rally in Narok. Yes, we've done also another one in 64 Stadium in Eldoret.
10 years ago, he decided to open this studio, the first of its kind in the region, paving the way for some of the most popular artists to embark on dazzling careers. Today, the facility serves entertainers from all over Western Kenya.
All songs of Tony Nyadundo, the original Onyi Papajay of Raila ODM was done in this studio. And of course also gospel, we record a lot in this studio.
The end of the campaigns in late February marked the beginning of the low season for him and other denizens in the entertainment sector. But the successes he has raked in over his career have given him the kind of life he would never have gotten in the military. From Kisumu City, I am Fred Omulo.